Okay, here we go. We're looking at the time problem for Tuesday Q44 and finding the perimeter and area of this irregular shape. Okay, like I've said before, I wouldn't use the homework's timeline here. It's kind of makes it awkward. Jan and Susan went to the movies. It was 2 hours and 18 minutes long. It ended at 6. What time did it start? So we got to go backwards. So it's easier just to make your own line. You know, it ended at 6, and we're just going to go backwards 2 hours and 18 minutes. I would just do a huge jump of 2 hours. That takes me to 4. Now you only got 18 minutes to deal with. It's important that you put hours or minutes or seconds here to know that the 2 doesn't mean minutes or it doesn't mean seconds. No, it means hours. Oh, we should also put, is it AM or PM? PM. That's another thing that it's important to put on your timeline in case it transfers over to the morning. Okay, now we only got 18 minutes. Now, some of you might not be able to do 18 minutes subtracted from 4 p.m. So what's a friendly number? 10 minutes. Most of us know that 4 o'clock minus 10 minutes is 3:50. Subtracting 18 is kind of an awkward number. Now, most of you should be able to subtract 8 from 50 in your head real quick. You could always use your fingers if you need to, but let's say you're still not sure. You could do 5, because 5 is kind of a friendly number. Now you've done 2 hours and 15 minutes. You just need to do 3 minutes more. Final answer, 3:42 p.m. Making my own number line there instead of using the homeworks one. Okay, next, finding the perimeter here. Okay, so I'm going to put a P there and an A there, just so I don't get confused. Another trick is to cross off the number once you add it. So I'm going to go like this. I'm going to put all of the numbers maybe here. So I'm going to go 7 and cross it off. See how I put the 7 down there and I crossed it off. Plus 2. Cross the 2 off. That way you don't add a number twice. Plus 8. Cross it off. Plus 9. Cross it off. Plus 1. Cross it off. Plus 7. Cross it off. Have we covered all of our sides? Yes. Eventually they're going to... Oh, no, I was going to say eventually they might remove it. Okay, so now we have all these numbers here. You can group 2 at a time. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 9, 17. Once again, you could use your fingers if you need to. If you don't know what 9 plus 8 is, use your fingers. 7 plus 2 is 9. Now you have 9 plus 17 plus 8. You could do 8 and 9 first. 9 plus 8, once again, you could use your fingers, is 17. Now you have 17 plus 17. 7 plus 7 is 14. 34 centimeters. That is the perimeter. Most of you guys know how to add those numbers. It's just not making a bad mistake, making a silly mistake by being disorganized. Okay, area, we've done plenty of these before. You got to cut the shape anywhere you want to so you can make 2 regular shapes. You don't want to cut it diagonally here because then that would be really difficult. Now you have a 7 by 2 is 14. A 7 by 2. And then it looks like I have a, is that a 9 by 1? I guess so, a 9 by 1. You don't want to use the 7 here because the 7 only includes this little piece and you need this whole side. So that's why we're using the 9. 14 plus 9, use your fingers if you need to, 23. And I think technically it's 34 centimeters squared and 23 centimeters squared.